The pilots commanding today's aircraft include that of Lieutenant Colonel Josh Ketterer, the commander of the 165th Airlift Squadron, and he is joined in the right seat by Captain Nick Rinke. Inbound now from the right, and what they refer to as a simulation of an airdrop. You will indeed see the rear cargo ramp open, often deploying a variety of containers, equipment, The C-130J, very versatile, and can easily operate out of short or unapproved airstrips. Disasters, civil unrest, and other crises within the state. They work closely with state authorities and other National Guard units to ensure the safety and security of local communities. On the federal level, they are a key component to the U.S. Air Force's total force, ready to deploy globally in support of our national defense and overseas operations. Setting up now for their last pass, let's give a big wave to our Kentucky Air National Guard C-130J. Setting up for one more final high-speed pass from the left. And we will again give them a big wave as they go by from our Kentucky Air National Guard C-130J Super Hercules.